what I love about LWP first, I have to say, is that it is really feels like a heart-centered company. And what I mean by that is, lawyers have a very bad rap about who we are and how we are and what we do. And you don't find that in the LWP community, and you don't find it in the company itself. So I really appreciate that. I feel like a human being practicing law and having, colleagues around the country, who I can refer things to because they do things in the same way I do them. We all have systems and processes that are the same. They really work well. And I also get to meet up with them at least once a year, sometimes more, and also remotely to, generate friendships as not just, being legal colleagues, but friends over time because we're really supportive of one another. It's pretty amazing how supportive the community is. My name is Andrew Jaloza. My law firm is the Estate Planning and Elder Law Group. I've been a member with LWP since October of 2013, so that'll be coming up on 11 years. And we're located in Glendale, New York, which is part of Queens, New York, which is part of New York City. People are doing things that have these stressful deadlines all the time, and showing up and working 100 hours and feeling like they're a slave to their practice. I didn't realize how much of a slave I was to my practice until I had an alternative to look at, right? And so I watched other people, and some of the people I know, they're doing 9 to 5, and they're doing really well as far as making a good living, and also being there, servicing clients, and doing it in a way that helpful in the world. So that's important to me. It's important that my practice and the things that I do bring me joy and brings me a sense of accomplishment and a sense of service to others. And that's what LWP has taught me. I have 3 different practices under my estate planning practice, all of which bring me in contact with people who really look at me as a trusted professional, who treat me with respect, unlike my real estate clients, who usually treated me like a wrench. When you choose the blue wrench or you choose the green wrench, it didn't matter which wrench you chose. We just need a wrench because we can't close without a wrench. Because of the learning, the legal technical stuff, the documents, and everything else that Lawyers with Purpose has to offer, it transformed me into an estate planning attorney. So when you take a transformative experience, it was a transformation. I was a real estate attorney. I was a transactional attorney. That's what I was. And I came into a space where became an educator. I used to really be very concerned and fearful in doing it. I love being in front of people now. And I love being in front of people talking about the things that we do, because we really do it well, because we have good support and good learning behind us. And whenever there's a question, I just reach out, and there's legal technical support as well as everything else that you might need.